Hi, my name is Laura Marie Coleman. Thanks for joining me for Fractions Grade 3 Part 2. In this video, we're going to be talking about fractions on a number line and equivalent fractions in Grade 3. The content in this video is based on the information in the Progressions document draft that was released in 2013. Grade 3 introduces the idea of using a number line to represent and model fractions. This connection starts with how we've used number lines in second grade, and each segment of the number line was equal to a whole number, that unit of 1. We also explored scaled number lines, where maybe the unit was equal to 5 or 10. In third grade, we start to break apart the whole into fractional units. So you'll see in this top number line, we're counting by thirds and showing that each whole is broken up into 3 equal parts. You might notice students also are learning about the meaning of the numerator and the denominator. The denominator tells us how many parts make up the whole. So if one whole is made of 3 parts, each one of those is 1/3. My unit is thirds. On a number line, if I have 5 of those thirds, it's equal to 5/3. So while students are solidifying this concept of numerator and denominator, they're also working with fractions within 1 and eventually fractions greater than 1. Another concept that students work on number lines and using fraction strips or area models is equivalent fractions. They're not calculating equivalent fractions numerically, but students are expected to recognize that fractions that exist in the same point on the number line are equal to each other. They also show this with fraction strips and area models, like shown on the side here, where the sixths and the half line up to show that 3/6 takes up the same area as 1/2. Thanks for joining me for this video, Fractions Grade 3, Part 2, about fractions on a number line. If you haven't checked out Part 1 about unit fractions and fraction notation, or haven't seen Part 3 yet on comparing fractions, make sure you check those out. For more videos, resources, or to reach out and schedule some custom coaching or PD for your district, check out our website at pima.edu.com.